A new study in the Canadian Medical Association Journal is looking at the factors contributing to inequalities in the healthcare system.
And CTV's Pauline Chan tells us it's recommending the adoption of several home test kits as a way of increasing access to diagnostics for vulnerable groups.
Even in a city like Toronto, where a wide range of health services are present, barriers such as transportation, employment, childcare, language, and racism can keep many from accessing those services.
We wanted to make some specific recommendations about how to address health inequities through preventive care, like cancer screening.
One of the recommendations is to expand the use of accurate and easy home test kits.
I don't know anybody who enjoys the Pap test.
Dr. Aisha Lofter says a significant number of people who are eligible for cervical cancer screening, some 35%, just don't come in for testing.
Maybe you have to take 2 or 3 buses to get to your doctor's office. Maybe you have a history of trauma. Maybe it's gender disaffirming. Maybe your practitioner is a male and there's just too many issues around modesty or privacy.
But an HPV self-collection kit being piloted in BC allows patients to test for the virus associated with cervical cancer from the privacy of their own home.
We know you're never going to reach 100%. There are always going to be people who choose not to for whatever reason, but that gap is pretty large. We've got a long way to go.
The group is also calling for testing for colorectal cancer, already available in home test kits, to be started at age 45 instead of age 50. And for newcomers from places where tuberculosis is endemic, a blood test for diagnosis instead of the less accurate skin test, which requires more than one medical appointment.
Yeah, we're talking about a human right here, access to health. That's going to help people who are experiencing disadvantages and difficulty accessing care. But also in the long run, this is going to be good for everyone. And it certainly is going to save the healthcare system money.
Earlier diagnosis means saving lives and saving long-term costs. Pauline Chan, CTV News.